Hello, Shabbat Shalom. I hope I'm not moving too fast for you. So the three elements of sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. I'm talking about before the Noah's Ark, the descendants of Adam were multiplied, and that's counting from before the Noah's Ark was landed in Mount Ararat. There was historically Adam and Eve. Later on, descendant of Adam interbreed with the Satan on the earth. Remember, the Satan was cast down to this earth from the heaven. And this world, this earth was also for the Satan was controlling, so that they birthed that half human, half Satan. And this species became so tall, so big. One of the descendants was in Goliath. David defeated the Goliath. And it is also called the Canaanite. One of the descendants of a Canaanite, the Anak, that becoming so tall physically, so that God anger took place, and Noah and three sons and a family was only saved on this earth. At that time, the all that half human being, half Satan, half human being were wiped off this earth. Also, who did not listen to the message from the Noah, were also all people were fornicating on this earthly, were wiped off by the flood. So that at that time, only the remnant of Noah's sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. I would say African, European, and Asians, or the Middle Eastern, Sub-Saharan Africans, or the Indo-Europeans. Three different types of human beings were sons of Noah. And we are coming from one of these descendants. So I wanted to show it to you, the differences, and you can find out. Wait a minute. Okay. Adam A, this guy here, is in Africa they call Koi or Kalahari. That's living in Namibia in Southern Africa. This is a haplotype A. This man here is a pygmy. And this is living in DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, is a B. And the E is a two different group, also separated. E1B1B and E1B1A. And it was separated in Ethiopia 47,500 years ago. E1B1B went into North. E1B1A went to West Africa. And today's descendant of the E1B1A is the West Africans and Niger Congolese. E1B1B is Egyptians and North African people. And East Africa is a mixture of E1B1A and E1B1B. And it is between the Ethiopians, are a part of haplogroup E. And out of Africa, the same group, the sons of a Hamitic tribe, Hamitic tribe, C and T. Oh, no, C. Listen to me. C, D. People, this is Andamanese. This person here is Andamanese in Indian Ocean. But this man has the same haplotype with the German Japan, which is a D2. And also D2 is found in Nigeria. Some carriers, D carriers, were found in Nigeria. I wanted to show it to you. This is a very interesting subject. Let me see. Here. Okay. So this is DE was a part of same group. D and E was separated. D1 M174 and D2. D2, this is a D2. Okay, let me show it to you the focus on here. D2A. D2A in Nigeria. They found a D haplotype Y-DNA in Nigeria. But other side of D, it is found in Saudi Arabia. Interesting that. Also, D2 was found in Syria. But this is offspring of D. D1A is Japan. This is German Japanese here, the D1A. And this is Nigerians. Also D2. This is the same D2 groups here, D1, D2. Same group separated from D haplotype, DE. So that you can mentioning there was in Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, there was a people with a D2A, and also with the Syrian people with a D2 or D0. And this group here, Nigeria, that's why Nigeria and Japan, they don't look like Hamitic people, but they have the same DNAs, sons of Ham. This is the most important thing that I wanted to mention to you today in my studies about haplotype. And I go into digging deep further for more information, something controversial because of I get attacked, but you don't have to. I will explain everything